San Francisco, I was living in a small 3-bedroom apartment with 2 roommates. When I moved back to New Hampshire, I was able to buy a house paying the same amount of money for a small room in San Francisco. My name is John Moses. I'm 30 years old and I work for Britton Lumber Company. I try and spend as much time in the sawmill as I can. There's a never-ending list of projects, which is fun. I enjoy trying to figure out how to make things run more efficient. You really need to get creative sometimes. We're a medium-sized mill. We don't sell to Home Depot or Lowe's or any of the big box stores. Each job in the sawmill is satisfying in its own way. My favorite is what we call the tailor. You need to be able to pick out premiums to make the operation more profitable.
Let's see, so these are actually select, so this is our highest grade. Some of them are sold for 3 or 4 times as much as our industrial would be. So that's where we're actually making a good profit.
When we're really producing wood out of that sawmill, the morale is higher. They just love getting as much wood out of that mill as they can. It's tough, but it's rewarding, and I mean, after working in the sawmill, I don't think there's anything else I'd want to do. I like living a little more off the beaten path. It's a lot more peaceful. All the outdoorsy activities are real close. The cost of living is lower, so you don't need to have a huge salary to support yourself and live comfortably.